I've always been ready. Don't ask me if I'm ready.
Sorry.
People, good morning, everybody, all over the world, listening and watching the Funky Fall on today 95.1 FM.
Is this a reform? Is this a reform?
Wow.
You usually do not begin with good morning.
Okay, what you mean I make and listen?
I even remind you sometimes that you haven't greeted the people.
Oh, really?
You're like, they understand. They understand.
Oh, I greeted this morning. I think it depends on the mood.
Oh, it depends on the mood.
Yes, if I come here with a good mood, I greet good morning. If I come with a foul mood,
Okay.
I refuse to greet. And there is nothing anybody can do about it.
Well, actually, I just like the fact that you don't come early enough. But I mean, you don't arrive early enough. Most of the time, Kule is here. So he begins and he does his rant and the good morning first.
Normally, so, when he has greeted, what am I greeting again now?
No, but that's a different thing. They're hearing your voice for the first time.
When I come, if Kule is usually here earlier, of course, I've been beating him for most times now.
Most times, you mean how long?
Yes, for quite some time. Very appreciable time.
No, this can't be correct now.
No.
This can't be correct.
I have a right to my opinion.
Your opinion doesn't mean that it's correct, especially when it's contestable with what is fact. What is fact? Kule is the earliest to arrive.
He used to.
Kule is the earliest to arrive.
He used to arrive early.
Ah, my God.
He stops to eat akara along the way.
It still doesn't change the fact that he arrives early.
Kule does not arrive that early. So, as a matter of fact, my brother, they don't bring waterproof into the studio. People are talking. The shere is a problem. What manner of man is this? Where did you carry this guy from? OneTV. Where is he from?
Europe.
He's a new staff. So you don't have orientation for your staff. Then they do end up being Greek. Anyway, sorry. I forgot that the microphone is on. Our partners, OneTV Network. They have brought one new cameraman who's coming to learn work. And the cameraman brought waterproof. But it's okay. I forgive you. There's a lot of forgiveness going on in River State now. Yes, I hope your phone is in silence before you bring one rubbish ring to here now.
Is it true forgiveness or fake?
It depends on you. It depends on where you see it from. Alright, but I got people. This morning. It's just that one kind of rainfall yesterday. And the rain for me is a welcome development. The rain good because the heat. Hamatan come 2 days.
My goodness.
Hamatan come go. If you see heat.
My goodness.
So they will come up from bed. They find tile. Tile itself they hot. Those doctors and say no good say to lie down with empty body for time. Yes, they can put cold into your body. But my brother, the last 2-3 days,
it was horrible.
No tile they give you cold. In fact, tile itself when they pour more water for body, they come out for time. So the rain got fall small yesterday. Very welcome development. People they write on Facebook, hey, Port Harcourt weather they come. There is no Port Harcourt weather here. If there is too much heat, say Port Harcourt weather they confuse them. Port Harcourt weather they do this. They don't understand Port Harcourt weather. Say be like Port Harcourt politics. It doesn't have to relate. If they confuse you, sorry. If Port Harcourt reverse politics they confuse you, sorry. Take it as it is. It is what it is. Never heard English before. Now, the rain falls small yesterday. A new development come out yesterday. Port Harcourt refinery fire catch for one of the pipes. As testing. So a lot of new things happened yesterday. Yes, where if they happen continuously.
No, that was not yesterday. We got the news yesterday.
Now yesterday was in the fire now.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what
it doesn't mean it happened yesterday.
When did it happen? Were you there? I'm talking about when we see happen.
When
something happened to you, it don't happen. For instance, no man no go that line. Now just leave that line with my mind, they carry me go. If not, when something don't happen to you, when it happen, now it don't happen. You cannot take it in retrospect. Let me take them backward.
And you also cannot fast forward it.
You cannot fast forward it, you take it as it happens. So now yesterday when we see say fire.
No, but the time of you seeing it and when it happened can't be the same thing.
So when it happened?
Well, I did. It did not happen.
When it
It
happened.
didn't happen yesterday.
So you don't know, keep
I
quiet.
don't want to tell you.
You don't know. Huh?
Kule, how was the akara?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Amazing.
Is this boy okay? So,
How are you?
so now, refinery happened yesterday. Rain happened yesterday. New things are happening in Rivers State. And we are happy with the development of the new things happening. Kule, did you enjoy the rain yesterday?
Rainfall.
You didn't mad? You know that this is a country. You from America, they come.
I'm not aware.
This kid for waiting, I keep him, no be changing.
I'm not aware.
Rain,
Why?
no,
You know what is here? The things the way you they do for studio. Every other people do, and they say I'm as error. You go there,
And then
person,
they bring
you go
kid,
there talk. No, we go there talk like the person go enter. You go there discuss with the person. You go distract with you they talk, or you go carry phone. They talk one with the studio. But when anybody do one small thing, now you go first complain pass.
E.g.
E.g. this man carry nylon bread now enter now.
No be bread o.
Whatever.
If you see the waterproof. Maybe like person wey dey pursue for house. Maybe like one of those people wey for room osi. Wey dey run broke.
Oh my God, broke us down. Oh. I don't know when I pass through Mosi. Oh. They don't broke down. They don't broke down everywhere. Oh. Joy.
There is some people. One of the and their studio dey that room osi
Why
inside.
you? No.
Their studio dey that room osi inside. Come, you my friend. You sure say that you don't follow my people when they run demolish their house for ring road. Because now waterproof. Is the running away waterproof? Is the running away waterproof?
You get one
So, wait,
song. I don't know how to take
Yeah, man. Can I finish what
Go
I'm
ahead,
saying?
go ahead.
So what were we saying? Many good things happened in the state. And those good things, rain small fall. Yesterday, the whole of Rumibo area, very good. That's the area where they live. I'm happy because small cold enter house wey allow us fit sleep. NEPA don vex say they no dey give light again, so we don't care.
They said there's a fault.
They said so.
But they said don't come back now. Say grid
Has
will
it been
fall.
restored? No. They said there's a fault.
Another one. Because
Yeah,
they been talk
due
last
to-
week. Say
due
grid
to
will
road-
fall.
This one is to say due to road construction.
Okay, they move
Some
poles.
areas, some power
Okay,
cables were
this
damaged.
one there. Okay, this all this ring road where ring road pass.
They said some
Ah.
power cables were
Through all those places where
damaged.
ring road pass. But my problem is say the ring road where they want do so. They say they go start for 4 places. We never see one caterpillar for Ogbogoro side though, but they don't fall every all this Rumosi down to Ogbogoro down. They don't fall all the houses. People don't buy the house, fall and carry iron, carry door, carry this thing. Meanwhile, one single caterpillar never even show
So maybe
face
it's the
there.
first stage now.
Only no caterpillar. You know, you never walk around the Port Harcourt.
Okay, this
Caterpillar dey UTC side. That's the man say. Caterpillar don't even level. If you say level up to Uruala,
You know what you see.
then
Make
caterpillar
I tell you one
dey
thing before you go. I want do printing of banner for our paramount ruler for Rumomoy. I can't go find price for one printing house there. That was 2 months ago. They can't give me price. As him I go back, go print.
As if a brother.
I'll find the house there. I walk around the whole my one. I said na here the road where I take come out. I said na here now. I can't begin measure. Say here from here now I move. When I reach there now ground level ground now I see leveled.
Wow.
So
Don't move everything.
Eleme, you know, the Eleme side suppose end up.
That side.
You don't want big tree where you take no one road to take cut off the market.
Okay. That big tree waiting for the junction.
Almost the market get roundabout for Eleme.
Okay.
That the community market
Okay.
get roundabout. Now, if you go like say you dey go Oyibo side,
Okay.
by the let's say you from Abajo, I'm thinking. Now the sound of the same thought.
The same thing.
If you from Abajo, enter Eleme. By the roundabout, if you go left, you don't want big tree wey dey there way. The one road there by the right, by the big tree way, you go take come out near the road safety. You go cut off the market.
Market side.
My brother, the last time I drive up, if not be from Upobo, they come. Maybe say I know the entrance
Of the road.
or before the market. If you from Eleme Council, they return back to the market. But after road safety, they turn right, now be the road. You can't turn 2 left, come out almost the market. If you go right, no people don't they go. My brother, if not be from that side, enter. As I reach the junction, I begin to think,
Where the road dey?
Where I go? They don't come out that big tree. Don't come open that place. That element, then they don't they walk from. If you dey go towards Oyibo, there is a junction wey take you left to back of refinery.
Back.
Only the element petrochemicals.
Okay,
Sorry,
okay.
the back of it.
Okay.
Only they don't scatter the main all the road.
Don't lose scatter everywhere.
Tanker, gongoro, and caterpillar full there. So
Good.
I've told you of 2 points.
Mm.
We get caterpillar.
Yeah.
We don't know the remaining 2 points. So caterpillar is possible to have been distributed.
Okay, whether they share caterpillar, say okay, you go here, you go here, you go here. Okay.
I don't see for those 2 points out of the 4.
Okay.
So now, but what I expect that they suppose concentrate, don't they do?
Mm.
Now that bridge,
For the
US back of US.
The different link bridges. There's like 3 or
No,
4.
one real bridge across water
Mm-hmm.
for back of UST to cross to Mbodoa.
that they
Yeah.
go do that one.
Yeah.
Nah, be the real bridge across.
That bridge where they be dey go be the suggestions.
Yes,
Where we say they look the other community from across the water.
yes,
They go do bridge there.
yes.
Ah,
Be the real
yeah.
bridge wey be for water. The rest na flyovers of land to
Okay,
land.
that one na bridge. Other ones na flyover.
Fly.
Okay.
The-
One bridge,
One bridge,
13 flyover.
you know it.
I think it's 3 flyovers.
About 3 or 4.
Ah,
Wait, Martin Gap. This Rumosi
Wait.
crossing east-west,
W1.
one flyover.
Mm.
Okay, no matter from the first flyover. Coming to St. John's for Rumolumeni Road.
Okay, to pass through.
To cross Rumolumeni Road.
That's a road we go in warfare now.
Yes, the
One
first
bridge.
flyover. Rumosi crossing east-west road.
True.
Second flyover.
Mm.
Then that Loyola Jesuit School, the OPM side, crossing Obirikwere Airport Road,
Okay.
3 flyover. To Rupokuna.
To look for side.
Then crossing Ikwere Road by that C for I, as if they go Ugigurita for Rupoku.
Ikwere Road.
Ikwere Road straight to
Okay,
Ugigurita.
yes,
Mhm.
okay,
That's
road.
number 4 flyover.
Okay.
Then crossing Aba Road from
Element Junction.
no, after Element Junction, go from small.
Uh-huh.
What do you mean that community name again? Iriebe.
Iriebe, we
Good.
have playing school to land there.
Yes, crossing that Iriebe on Aba Road,
Mhm.
number 5 flyover.
Siam.
Then crossing when you don't reach Eleme,
Mhm.
crossing the east-west road again, going to Opobo,
Mhm.
going to One,
Mhm.
crossing to refinery. That junction
Okay.
is the number 6 flyover.
It's
Then one
about
bridge. So
6.
6 flyover, one bridge.
Yes.
Okay. Now this ring road now,
Mm.
where it go finish? Where it go end?
It's supposed end for Burukiri.
But to stop at around the limit now.
You go,
Refinery
when
area.
you cross that flyover for that refinery junction,
Mhm.
facing refinery,
Mm.
and I there when they say, as they reach refinery, they go stop.
They'll
Because
stop.
when you no go bus pipe.
No, they expect say
NDDC. Yeah.
NDDC go do that comprehensive Burukiri own.
That road.
Wey they don't give.
Wey they don't promise.
They don't pay 2 times.
To who?
I don't feel call the name here because I know all the evidence. I know documents. Let me not call name of person wey
Animal place or
they
things.
come arrest me.
You come and call name, animal name.
They don't pay. Now the person they pay
Mm.
put small pillar there.
Okay, that way we dey see. For inside water.
If water come, the water big pass, high pass the pillar. So
Hyper the pillar.
the high pass is pillar. 2 times and them pay. So from Okreka to comprehensive Burukiri,
Okay.
they say
Now there you go end.
no, make any decision go complete that one.
That one.
Now there na be the ring back to Burukiri.
Okay.
You don't come back Port Harcourt.
That one no close now. Ring supposed be like round.
Yeah,
round,
close
round.
enough.
So that in a bango.
From
bango road.
Burukiri.
Bango no dey close finish.
From Burukiri Road already there to UTC.
It's a bango road.
No, na Kule. From Burukiri Road already there to UTC. So did you build new road when there is road?
Okay.
So that is the ringing. The
I mean,
ringing.
they have to follow all those roads too. All those one, they follow everything. We need to complete our anything we start. We should complete it.
Come, Kule.
Should complete
Don't
it.
say such things.
Sorry.
How do you fall Burukiri houses?
No, but
Burukiri is
you
established.
won't need to fall the houses in Boricri now.
Then you don't say fall everything.
I just feel like we should just follow everything.
we don't fall things like that in this state.
Emo! I feel like hailing you.
What did I do?
I see you for drink.
I've been a victim.
I see you for drink.
I've been a
Your
slave
name dey list.
of waiting.
I don't know. I don't know. Whether na ministerial,
No,
whether na commissioner,
no,
whether na amnesty.
No, no, no.
I just know say your name dey list.
I know they do all those things.
Which one?
All those lists. Tell your dream, say, na wrong dream you dream.
No,
Now
no.
you
Yeah.
with a project.
To go.
Yes.
As non-indigenous.
Yes, we are walking bastardly. You know bastard walking. Walk when you get papa, when you get mama.
Abeg, this morning I just want
We
first.
need to project.
I want to first of all thank the governor.
Why?
100,000. Michael, do you know what 100,000 mean at this time? Unfortunately, we will not be civil servants, but we are civil comedians. Your Excellency, Funky 4 has been civil comedians for 18 years, no salary. You see this 100,000? No trials, no just trials at all.
So if you want to give money, now 100,000 go look us give us.
As civil comedians, so no be as
You know
friends.
you know they offer such things.
It's true. It's
Yeah,
true.
no follow.
For 18, no 100,000 per year. For the 18 years, 1.8 million.
Now you're talking.
Yeah, sorry.
At least you're saying something reasonable.
Sorry.
You never even talk well. This is just reasonable.
It's not just more reasonable.
But that won't be 1.8 million. That will be higher.
What
A
would
year
you
is 12 months.
decrease? You give 100,000 to
For
someone
year-
for,
na- na
for
every-
12 months.
A year is 12 months, so they should divide it rather than multiply it.
One woman they sing yesterday on the 12th day of Christmas. See, so Governor Sim said to me, 100,000. I said, come on here.
But the alarm
why
don't
you
drop.
beeping that?
People don't dey see the
It's
money.
dropping.
That's
Yeah,
what.
people don't get answer. Since on the 18th,
People don't dey
they
get.
know they talk. Civil servants, they know they talk too much.
Like I hear something. No?
As they walk out, see, because secretariat now noise no dey again.
Yeah, calm.
Everywhere calm.
Everybody calm.
Happiness.
I say, I try to go there, my friend Amy Ikaraso.
Hmm.
Say, Michael, I say, where you begin talk like this? He said, my brother, if you see what Governor Sim do us, you don't give us, come on, shut up. All of us don't shut up. Now, if you go carry fire, junior staff, you go talk to them calmly. Because the kind of money wey dey in system, you go fit hire you.
My friend say the church they say people wey go fit give 10,000 towards building make dem come out on Tuesday. Say if you see civil servants civil servants wey no dey gree come out before dem go stand say out of the 100,000 we will use 10,000 build God house. Say oh, is that not a welcome development?
So
For 18 for how many years now? I'm not even sure the governor even delete
no, what Dilip dey do those kind of things.
Something.
Governor
Used to do
Dr.
Christmas,
Dilip,
Christmas bonus.
he was doing that.
Christmas
doing
bonus
that.
and this
Mm.
one.
Who stop am?
He ended.
Mm.
The black na Mechi time the end.
I know say Amechi bin dey give hamper but na people wey go government house. Amechi bin dey give things.
No,
Na
to
people wey
civil
go government
servants.
house. No be for
The black
everybody.
Amechi-
They didn't enjoy the kind of largesse they got from
Exactly.
Odili.
Dr. Odili was the highest.
Odili na.
Doctor-
Odili ye. He was ye everywhere.
No, that guy was too much.
He was ye everywhere.
As governor, Dr. Odili,
Yes.
he stand out.
In Sabi and in
Nah.
the Sabinus and Donald.
Now you see, we dey see the other they near each other now.
Him and who?
Sim.
Him and Sim, yes.
So like Sim is learning fast.
Odi Sim.
Sim, Governor Sim is learning fast from Dr. Peter
But
Odili.
he's not supposed to.
One hand, 100K.
He's not supposed to.
Odili, the time, na 10K or something.
And I don't tell you.
But the 10K that time,
He
he passed the 100K of today.
I agree with you.
So,
I agree with you.
Governor Sim is learning fast.
Anyway, Michael,
Now-
we will not digress this matter.
Well,
Now our pocket, now our own.
No, let's
Civil servant don't collect their own now go house.
let's say the truth
Mm.
so that the truth can set us free. Governor Sim to hit 100K pass civil servant, no be here.
Na small money. Not be small money, oh.
No be here.
Not be small money, man. Governor seem to give 100,000.
To civil
Who give
servant.
you this impetus to enter the
Jacob.
studio? Who give you the impetus to enter?
So-
the
Impetus. Now impetus. give
See
me.
am for your body now. See impetus.
Impetus. This boy now. Tunde Amadi.
Na him.
Na him be the impetus.
Mm.
He carry impetus dash your body true true.
He made it for me when I use them for London.
Somebody ask question say
Yeah,
this
boy.
100,000 this 100,000 wey governor Sim give civil servant say what I local government people follow
They do.
are they
You should
civil
reach it. There's all
No,
civil servants.
no local government
It is only state government.
na state government
Those, in fact, not even all state government. Those on the payroll of the state.
Okay, of the state.
Now they give. But yesterday, I want to. What's his guy name? Erastus. Yeah, he give 30,000. No,
Anthony
Anthony.
now he give the
na
20,000.
their governor go yesterday
Now he give the 20,000.
na local government
That's his local
Wait,
you
government.
no go give another
I
person
want dey sure say na him I dey talk about. What of this guy wey dey for
There's someone behind you.
then you chook am
wey dey
out
Asari Toro?
who be that
George.
No.
It's George now.
is it
George
that boy
Olengue.
you're talking
No.
The council chairman now, sorry, Toro.
So tell your full name now.
I don't know the other
na
name.
na him community
You
know
I know it's Onenge.
Bushman.
onenge George na
No be Onege.
no be George
E get one wey be dey talk one time.
Onenge for George.
na onenge follow
You why you confusing me?
wetin him do
Be like say na him wey do
no be
party.
feel like say they say be
This
like
your story is
Wait
it's
first
long
na
time.
the one wey do party wey all the staff dey there say everybody all the staff local government staff present here will be given 20,000 wey dey shout.
What kind
That
of
one
sharing
I
is that one now? What kind of sharing is
so
that
the
one?
one wey no well wey no come excuse me
na wait na there I dey come
Is it
now.
everybody that is invited to
He
their party?
say all the staffs here present all local government staff
You
here
don check am
present
say
na him
others
go
no
give
come
20,000
na no reach 10
wait
maya
come
something
Eh.
abeg
why you no give everybody wey don work since start so because person no come party no come me
Must
say
he
you no
come
go
to
give
the
am
party
can you imagine
what did the person wey dey chop
you
right?
forgive
Some
everybody
persons are not even invited to attend the party.
how do you
No.
know by that
It's true now.
how do you know
Do you not possible?
all these Asantoro boys there you don
Do
dey raise
they
rumor
invite everybody to come? No, but he has not
No,
moved
see,
from
like now
he has not
security
confirmed
men.
that Asari Toro.
he
But
said
he
it's
has not
Asantoro
confirmed. No, that he's
He
not even
said
sure.
so.
He's not
yes
sure
he
now.
say Asari Toro now
Who tells Asari Toro?
that one wey I
Woman
dey tell
na-
you na what
na
I dey tell
Asantoro
you
na what kind of talk is that Asantoro
that one wey bin build wetin
All of a sudden you're not
commissioner
confused as Asari Toro.
yeah him
Asari Toro.
na
The
him
person that is telling me the story is not even sure.
na
he
him
said Asantoro
Asari Toro
Hey,
Asari Toro
this is bias.
I bin meet am for that was I bin meet for HMG.
eh
na him na.
no nonge no nonge
He say everybody here present, all staff here present,
Him
we
come
go
there.
home with 20,000. He don look and say,
They no reach
the one
10.
wey dey here no reach 30.
What's 20,000 in this
20,000. My brother no even be 20,000. Say only the people wey come the party.
Gule wait make we even leave people wey come party let's analyse people wey come party people wey come party 15 of them
Okay.
out of
That's
500
that's
staff
300,000.
300,000 he reach money wey dey take buy fuel from
No,
Google
that one is good now.
take come
That one is good now.
What is
Some
good?
of the extras.
example
Fuel
Come
may
to
be
this way
necessity
you
now.
know.
And you want to hear something. You want to hear this.
are you saying what everybody dey carry give is that what you're saying him dey carry give so you say he carry
Come anyway.
we are not sure of that
Video dey.
Did I say anything?
Evidence.
Did I say anything?
Evidence against you.
no go talk fuel the money for that thing jeep wey dey drive to take buy fuel come esco meeting
Go back.
go back come jack no be esco jack
Okay, come Jack.
come collect Asantoro money for government
That should
house
be like 120 to full that to full Tundra now 120.
to and fro
Yes, 120.
he pass the money wey share give
to fill village.
council people
Okay.
okay people wey no come the party
Mm-hmm.
why are you segregating them
That is
do you know if they know well do you know if they at ten d to sick person do you know if they get emergency do you what do you
What
know
if they get running stomach?
What if they were not invited?
no leave
That
the
invited
budget
no, I no believe because the whole council go know say party day. That one, you no get excuse there. Party day, party day. That one no get excuse. But my problem be say, why you go comot some people? Since people dey work from January reach now, e come be say only this party wey dem no come, na im wan take do judgement. Anyway, we are passing a resolution. Onagie George, the executive chairman of wetin be that na local government Asari Toro. We are putting it to you and removing it from you again. That please let that 20,000 naira go round all staffs, not only people wey present for the party.
well, don't make it look
We
like,
hereby submit.
don't make it look like it's an important money
Why is it?
You mean it to be
Wait, is this 100,000 not important? Now people dey jubilate up and
No,
down.
that is significant now.
20,000, even 20,000 at least for a local.
100k 100k makes sense
For a
This
lower level.
economy.
20,000 is very annoying first of all 20,000 wetin one can buy How much a bag of rice?
But you
Wait,
know,
now answer me.
52,000.
Thank you.
52,000.
Okay.
But you can cut your plot according to the material.
Okay,
that
no
you
go
have.
cut the material. How bag
So
of
by-
rice?
HMG no go fit sew am for you. So once you cut material,
12 kg now.
HMG no go fit sew am.
Kule wetin na 12 kg na how much?
12, 15,000.
Baba Ori,
No, 20,000 now.
we have you by 8:30.
20,000.
This is 8:30. This is sharp 8:30.
Oh,
It's
wow.
8:30.
He's a good man.
Sharp 8:30.
Go that way.
No, Julius, shift. This one na person wey pay money. You na free come shift. 8:30 is time is I started counting.
No, please, yeah, Julius, just
Sam, see 8:30. Julius, come out now.
I know the last time now.
Go sit down for the other side.
You know, say, Julius is our guy.
Let's give me best.
It's time I started. Julius, sorry.
It's time, you know,
Julius, sorry. Julius, sorry.
I go for Piogo. I go
Hey,
for
Julius.
You are being violent in our studio.
Julius.
You are being violent in our studio.
Julius. Hey.
Our mic.
Okay, go sit down. 8:30
Oh,
Our mic.
Now your mic like for silent.
Our
Don't make
mic.
them broke person. All right.
I go for Diogo.
This song.
Okay, she come like the main enter camera.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We have our partner. No, it's not yet our partner. We never sign.
No,
It's partnership now.
We never sign.
Almost there.
I will be paying full money today. All right, good morning, please. Your time has started counting. We have played into 1 minute of your time via Julius. You're welcome, sir. So let's get to know who is in the studio.
I thought I'm a man that need no introduction on funky for studio here.
If-
What have I done right?
If the world is listening to you, for us, we don't need introduction. What of the world that's listening to you?
People they watch CNN, they introduce me for me.
For CNN. Okay, no introduce you.
All right. The name
All right.
is
Kule, which song be
We are
that?
starting with this song.
Na music.
Yes, I'm using.
Ingrid.
Yes, agree.
Oh yeah.
Network no dey gree me.
Kule, you
I don't know
download
wetin
am.
dey. Get it.
Ba ba ba. Who sing this song?
Sonny na.
Sonny Ade.
Yes, o.
Oh, Sonny Ade. Dey.
Anyone. Jay.
Let's pray that the network behaves so.
Na download.
Just 1 minute.
Na download am.
No,
No dey stream. If somebody come call you now, go.
Don't scatter my.
This is what they're always doing.
Yeah. Hey.
not the stuff.
Okay.
No, if you put on the stop, streaming go
What's
still
that?
stream.
Okay. Yes. It does.
I bet wetin this music mean?
Yes. Say appreciation. Father, I thank you. Please accept my time. Now.
Which father?
Heavenly Father now.
Which of their Heavenly Father?
Heavenly Father in heaven, God Jehovah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome our man of Boeing.
Boeing
Let's go, sir.
Estate.
Boeing Estate, Mega City.
Mega City. Opening soon.
It has opened since the day.
I go there.
It will go fine.
E dey mad. I go there.
I beg.
I drink the palm wine o.
Your time not. I say you drink palm
But
wine.
give me palm wine.
Palm wine sweet.
Oh. I think that they go pluck am from tree come.
Na so na.
They plug the palm wine from
Yes.
They block palm
Or
wine.
they tap it.
Don't worry.
What
I'm
is
not
it?
different.
My name is Ori Martins.
That was it, don't get
the
up.
group managing director of Boeing Lost Real Estate, the real estate company that has come to change the face of real estate in
We
Nigeria.
agree.
My being here, that's why I like the introductory music, is to show appreciation to the Funky Four, to the FM management, the Rivers people and Nigerian people for seeing opportunity and key into it. It has been a wonderful year for us at the Boeing Group. Early this year, we started a campaign about home ownership. Our target was to make 2,000 discerning individual and Rivers State to become house owner, property owner, and that has been achieved. So, congratulate everybody, all partners, media partners, management partners, and people out there that came into this project. My being here this morning is not to sell property, to show appreciation. However, our promo is still ongoing, that is terminating middle of this night. By 12
Today?
noon, Friday, today, 22nd of December, the promo will end. I'm not here to promote the promo. I'm not here to promote Boeing property, but to show appreciation for every Tom, Dick, and Harry that believe in us and have keyed into what we are doing. We opened Boeing Mega City, the largest housing estate in this part of Nigeria, a year ago, and today the support has been really, really overwhelming.
Wow.
We have more than 2,000 subscribers so far
Wow.
on this project. And ongoing infrastructure, we are deploying infrastructure as we go. But I'm happy that 2 or 3 of you have been there. Not that you are watching not
audio.
Not 3D.
Audio.
You have been there.
Physically, yes.
Please, when you are there, snap and upload the picture. Let the whole world know that the picture Boy is uploading is actually true. That Kunle is there, Michael is there, and
Tekana.
What's Tekana? Hey.
He comes at his own time.
Okay.
Maybe
the
nothing bad.
They come.
So
when other people come.
that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. And the ongoing program, as I've said, we terminate this middle of this night. The Boeing goodie bag will also stop middle of this night. The 75% promo off of the original price will terminate this night.
75% off.
75
will be off. Will terminate just this middle.
Just pay 25%.
And you have the property. No hidden charges, no additional cost attached to this property. And I'm happy you are there once again. This property has been fenced around.
Yes,
security house has been installed.
Yes, I saw
Individuals are building their own houses now. And it's our aim by this time next year, families, friends should have been living in this estate. A master plan estate that have government approval and permit of relevant government department and authority. Okay. And I do tell people that power as a technology, Julius Agu, is over 100 years technology. Why is it in Nigeria we are still backing with power? That is more than 100 years invention. In this essay, we have set out to solve this power problem by providing our resident 24-hour power supply.
With generators and NEPA, which one?
And solar. First, we are getting part of national grid, they call 33 kVA.
33
kVA. I want to complement it with gas turbine.
By the way, where are these houses?
Just before the airport, a Great Alley, a place they call a Great Alley.
Because they talk, I don't know where they are.
Because nobody that level now. When they talk, they come in.
You leave us for long now. You leave us for long.
No. Just don't ask me questions.
If I mention Lekki now, you will know.
Mr. Boy, don't allow Julius to ask unnecessary questions.
No, he's already.
You don't know what is necessary and what is
good for him to ask.
What manner of question is that? Person they introduce something, you go shut up first, alarm.
Shut up! Don't talk like that. You're on air.
And then
keep quiet.
See what they make it quiet. For my program, my studio. Julius, you know talk today here.
Shut up!
You know go talk today here. You go see. Until you beg.
Shut up!
If not, Tinubu will come and say,
Michael Ogolo, I said shut up. Let me
put up his mic to show me example.
Michael, shut up.
Can you, I'm not joking. Off
the property.
Good. Now we don't off your mic, make we see your power.
It's a community called a Great Alley.
Okay.
If you are going to airport, the business
I know you
before the airport.
See no greet talk again now.
Where Jehovah Witness have their regional office.
Okay.
Just about 5 seconds.
I thank God that you're facing me and talking.
So just 7 minutes away from the highway there, we deliberately take the party off highway, off the hustling and bustling of the town.
Wow.
We don't want people passing by to know that this
people
is
like Mike,
existing
yes.
until you drive in there. Mike has driven in there, or Kunle has driven there. I was there yesterday. I took over 30-something person for inspection yesterday. The pictures are there.
How much are the houses?
For now, we're selling service.
Hello. This is our program. Excuse me. This is our program.
Face us.
We'll go off on the mic. Julius, I'm serious. Office very small for.
I don't say man feel jealous like this. So.
No, not be jealous. It's about it's about the ethics.
He's jealous.
When we come in,
crack your like ethics.
Julius, please, sincerely, seriously, this is monkey for. When we come, you crack your ribs. We sit down, respect your program. When you come here, respect us. I'm not joking. I'm very upset with you.
When I discussed this thing before.
I'm very angry with you.
If you shout, shut up again.
When I don't discuss that, shut you up.
No, I'm serious. Give
when
us
I don't discuss that before.
When show us some respect.
Mr. Ori Martins, your time is on. So now,
I'm warning you for the last time.
2000.
If not, I broke your head here.
2,000 plots sold. People don't collect the allocation of plots.
Yes.
They don't allocate
yes,
plots.
I saw those.
So what is the next thing?
Thank you for coming. Just cannot be doing this in our program. In the craze. Stop it all. Mr. Uri. See, you say you don't already allocate 2,000. If you want to do 2,000, you don't pass that number. So, wait till you see the promo again now, where they end. Okay. That's what I'm going to.
You see,
So what are we promoting again when they end today? Since you don't already get everything you want.
yesterday our office in Hotel Presidential was like market.
Mm.
I was even invited by the manager of Hotel Presidential to ask what is the issue.
What's happening? What are riot?
You see, they have to post 2 security men to control crowd. I never knew that Rivers people recognize opportunity when they see.
We let the kind of play. You
I'm
never want to recognize that Tinubu just try when the people no go there.
I'm really impressed.
Continue.
I'm really impressed. A lot of people, they are doubting Thomases. There are people that follow the crowd, and I tell people don't follow the crowd because the crowd will always come to party late when the rest don't finish. There are some doubting Thomases, they want to wait till the last days. And I tell people that this promo under no disguise will this promo be extended. 12 midnight today, 22nd of December.
What are you promoting?
People that are coming want them. People that have heard it, some are offshore. Some say they will not be paid. They will not be paid till 22nd or thereabouts. People have been begging. That's why we want to terminate the day we agree on day 1. So if you are still listening to me and you still want to find your way to Hotel Presidential, or you want to find your way to calling of my colleagues, our number still remains 090 555 22233. 090 555 22236. That is 0905 in 3 places, 2 in 3 places, 33 or 36. We also have another series 09090001952. 09090001953. The company is Boeing Luxury Estate, the company that have come to change face of real estate in Nigeria. You may not bother if the number is busy. Please find your way to Hotel Presidential. We do 2 inspections daily. The last 2 inspections will be today for the year. By 10 a.m. If you are listening now, you can still rush down there. You see me the bus. We have AC buses fully with security escort to and fro the site. By 3 p.m. we are doing the last inspection for the year 2023. If you can make it, please.
That's today.
And if you are outside Port Harcourt or you are tied up, call any of those numbers. We can do virtual tour with you. As you are in comfort of your home, your office, wherever, we can be doing the tour and be live video of this site.
So
all
what
they
is
can.
our funky photo?
They have done it now. You can't let 2 of them here have been there. They pay their plot.
So,
they are landlord, please.
So,
But don't be tenants. Just make a. So, we still have a 12 midnight.
Me, I don't go talk.
I'll do virtual for you. So if you are listening to me, please, the number once again is 090 9000 1953. 090 555 22236. Please, I tell people don't rush. Take your time. Do your due diligence before you do your deal. However, don't follow the crowd. The crowd will always come to party late. 12 midnight, no extension.
Now, this promo where they end today, now for phase 1 only, or it also affects phase 2?
Both phase 1 and phase 2.
Because
we wanted to mention about the phase 2.
We have few plots, both on phase 1 and phase 2 of this project for this promo.
Okay.
We reserve some plots.
Some plots already.
The difference between phase 1 and phase 2 is the same location.
Now just fence.
Yes, fence.
I go there now.
Good. Phase 1 is completely fenced. We are deploying infrastructure now, road, water. Before we have 12 armed security men given to us by Inspector of Police that are already living and living there, residing there.
I see Caterpillar
security. Okay. And the phase 2 now is the project of the first quarter of 2024 by Boeing. We are going to provide the same infrastructure in phase 2 into phase 1, and it's still cheaper now. For those that are listening to me that want cheap plot, that want to take opportunity.
You know they call it price.
No, as a principle, don't call price online. If you are interested, you can call any of my colleagues on 09055522233 or 09090001953. We don't use price.
This is the principle.
We don't use price.
This is the principle.
Anybody when you see, when I say property, 200,000 naira, 500, be careful. Because we are luxury estates.
They go buy swimming pool.
Martin, now I've been trying to help you.
Okay, sir.
Because this business we did, others they do, I'm not so.
Plenty.
Full everywhere.
Plenty.
For this river state.
Plenty.
Some now 2 minutes to airport, you don't fly. Some now 1 minute, you don't wake up, look, you don't see plane, you don't move.
Now so they do their promo.
Yes, some will say, as you buy 1, they give you 2 free. And they call price. You understand? So, rivers people now they listen to it, how much now? So you on your own now, it's your company policy. But if you say, why now? So if you just throw small lights on, you know, like
People know if it's affordable.
Let me talk generally. We have property, landed property in some of our estates that sell as much as 150 million.
Good.
In Nigeria.
Yeah, we go.
Somewhere in Port Harcourt, Asokoro Villa.
Even Port Harcourt, 250.
I'm talking about
Now I
Abuja
won't
now.
buy
I'm talking about
something.
Abuja now.
Abuja, 250 million.
250 million, just landed property.
Now I won't buy. Ma go see Jagaba come back.
In Rivers State, we also have landed property.
You know, they talk about this program.
In Rivers State,
My own income.
in Rivers State, we have property as low as #1 million.
Good. Yeah, that is where we are
As low
going.
as #1 million.
Good.
But as a principle, I've been mandated by management not to talk, not to sell on base of price. And I tell people, if it's too good to be true, it may actually be too good to be true. Why not add value to your product and services instead of selling on base of price? Here's Julius Agu now promoting 2 million naira on her show. And I will not be surprised if the 2 million table will be filled first.
No, go come the show.
Because of the caliber of people, people will still pay it.
Yes.
We did an experiment in Abuja some years ago. We were promoting 2 properties at the same time. One is what they call Shafa, Kubwa, where NYC camp is. One is in Asokoro, Asokoro extension. We are promoting the 2 simultaneously. One is about 5 million, the other one is about 30 million landed property. Do you know that we have more traction on the property of 30 million than the one of 5 million?
And the civil servants go don't buy that one.
Civil servants don't even want to go to where you design for them. They also want to enjoy the good things of life.
Now they have money pass.
So if somebody is calling you want to buy cheap property, of course the building, the structure in there will remain to be cheap for life. Buy a premium property that will appreciate in value. We call it capital growth. The next 2 or 3 years, the value will double. If you go and buy in those rumu where government will never remember to do the road, to do transformer, to provide security, you are on your own.
Room escape.
But what we do as a company is to look for location that is okay, that will attract government attention, that already government infrastructure and institutions in place. On our own, we now deploy our own infrastructure to complement what government is doing. In the last 10 years in Rivers State, we've done more than 10-kilometer road as a company. We are not local government, we are not state government. We have done a lot of power, we've done about 4 or 5 transformers installed, even for our estate and for neighboring community, host community. This we do to delight our client and our host community.
Okay.
So that's why we're not talking about here. We are selling our property 500,000, 250,000 naira. If you are selling an estate property for 250,000, 500,000, where will you see the money to provide the infrastructure? Probably don't allow people that are hungry, that need money to solve their immediate problem, to come and collect your money to solve their immediate problem.
Now 2 minutes to airport now. Don't fly.
They don't from there, they don't go. Some want to Japa, they're looking for money to Japa. They now open, say they have real estate come, they go and put somebody somewhere in a farmland. When they get enough money, they are out, close 2 minutes to airport, as Ketekena and say, with their family. But boy, we've been here for the past 10 years. And will continue to be here. We have more than 4,000 subscribers that have keyed into Boeing, both in Port Harcourt and outside Port Harcourt, even a lot of diasporans that have keyed into this, and they're excited, they're happy. When we started promoting the PMC last year, people that key in, today, their investment has appreciated 100%. Yes.
So, now I ask you again, all this while when I don't live for this Port Harcourt for 10 years, they sell land, they resell. I will never get any police case or land issue.
If you have police case, we are the one that will call police for the land grabbers. Definitely, in fact, I've done it with a lot of communities that want to intervene. Before we buy land, we make sure we buy genuinely from the right community. We do part for them. We push entry matching grant. We put faces behind the transaction. After that, anybody that is coming to trespass, we deal with you. And that is why graciously the National Police has given us, we have 2 police post approval. All our estates were to install police posts there and deploy police from Abuja that reported to the Commissioner of Police here. This we do to protect life and property of our discerning clients.
Okay, now we'll talk about payment structure. Some of us, they get small, as they come, would they put, what thing you fit approve for people like us? Because your idea is you want to make sure say everybody be landlord, if possible. So if you take care of the big men, we go fit pay you 1 hand. how you go take care of us?
We just collect 100,000.
We just collect 100,000 from Governor Sim yesterday.
Our estate, especially Boy Megas, is all-inclusive project. By all-inclusive, I mean there'll be place for low-income earner, for the middle class, and of course the rich. And for the fact that you are keen into this promo and so we're not saying it's going to break bank. We're not saying it's going to break bank. No. We allow the call PSS, piecemeal acquisition of property. The price we have put out there now, you can pay part of it and tell us how you intend to pay the balance. Is this 6 months or 1 year that's convenient for you? We do a contract of sales that will accommodate this. And by the time you finish paying, immediately you pay the initial deposit, nothing will be added until you finish paying except you default on the arrangement. And one interesting thing we are doing, Boeing luxury is what they call money back guarantee. By money back guarantee, any money you deposit with Boeing, if you're no longer interested in property or anything happen, come we'll give you your money back. However, terms and conditions apply. So we'll give you your money back. I don't know, but I'm sure Boeing luxury is the only company in this side of Nigeria that is doing this money back guarantee. Because we are sure of what we are doing. We are sure of what we are promoting. And we have the backing of the government, the financial institutions, and of course the good people of Rivers State. Yes.
All right. So
money back guarantee.
Yeah. So that means
MBG.
make nobody fear about Boeing Estate.
Not at all. Not at all.
Because I remember we got one case with the EFCC from police station to EFCC, and the same land matter like this, where a lot of people go buy land. At the end of the day, either the man wrong or later they catch up or community take over. So you are giving Rivers people for this new area where they sell, say, as they buy them, make them go house, go sleep.
Okay, yes.
Nothing will happen to their property.
And another thing I also want to tell Rivers people how to shine their eyes to know what is genuine or not. In Ikwere land, where our project is situated, no Ikwere man will allow you to fence his land if you are still owing him cover.
Yes.
This property has been completely fenced, gated with security to show that Boeing is in absolute possession of this property. And we have ongoing relationship with the community. We have CLO, we have CSO, we have people from the community that are employed, resuming and working there every day. And they are excited. I take it as their own project. They own the project. Nobody, if another community is coming, before we know that, the one that will flog the boys out of the site. We don't need to. We only use police there just to protect the Bible that may come from another, not because of our host community. We have a wonderful relationship with them. That I can tell you. Just yesterday here, one of them still they buried the oldest person in the community died. We still go there to do our own rights as the years come to an end. And we also do our right to all the host communities to show how wonderful.
Yes.
We do for them. During the lockdown, COVID-19, all our host community here received Boeing palliative. In fact, a message was sent to me by the chairman of the family that what the government did to us is nothing Boeing compared to what you did, and they are very grateful for such intervention.
That is political talk.
Well, if this message is coming for recipients of this palliative by themselves, and they were told that both the wife and the children, everybody, all taxable adults benefited from that with their wives.
It's okay.
So, to show how wonderful community, I will take them very serious. We don't joke with our community. And I tell people, when you buy a paper, I say, people are wonderful people I've seen, but they're my host community. If you know what they want and give it to them, they will give you your peace.
Okay, we have 6 more minutes. Now, we have looked at every angle now. Talked about what exactly now is the new line of for Boeing in 2024.
In 2024, we are going to do massive deployment of infrastructure in Boeing megacities and other estates we have in River State. In 2024, we are going to cross a major milestones where most of our estates here will be livable. By livable mean that we are going to put finishing touches to those infrastructure. And the agreement we have with this subscriber is once we have done XYZ, we have number of social month or year to build. We want to make this estate the fastest growing estate around. We don't want to leave it as bush. Somebody will buy property, they're waiting for grandchildren to come and take possession. There's a section of the estate that will not be allowed. However, we have what they call land banking. When you buy the property and allow you to appreciate, you sell later. There's a section for that. But the place we are deploying infrastructure now is our aim by this time next year for families to be living there. People will come from abroad. In fact, we have ongoing construction. We're handling construction for about 5% in diaspora now.
Already.
And they're telling us that within 2024, they are coming with their family to take possession of those accommodation. And what we owe them when they come is their key. They pay 100% for construction of this building. Wow. Are giving them the best they decide.
Okay.
So for people that are still listening to us, I want to call the number again. The company is Boeing Luxury Estates, Left Wing Hotel Presidential, and office here in Hotel Presidential in Port Harcourt. www.boeingestates.com. Boeing spelled B-O-I-N-G. estates.com. That's our website. And Boeing Estates on Instagram, Boeing Estates on Facebook, Boeing Estates on Twitter. And Boeing Estates everywhere. And the number is 090 555 222 34. 090, yes, we have the series. 33 34 36 even 35.
33 34
In fact, start from 331 32, just as some people hold down that may not be available.
Okay.
We have 090 555 222
222
31 32 33 34 35 36.
36.
Those are
Wow.
Boeing.
All those numbers.
He sees all of them.
Good.
They also have 090 9000
1952 when they bomb Buhari.
Alright, so this, and I started by showing appreciation for Funky 4.
Find us something.
I want to thank you all.
We don't tire.
And I'm sure in
Jesus help
2024,
us. It can help us from now. We don't talk this talk finish.
2024, we're going to have
We don't make
a more
Oh,
robust,
you want to talk how you want to give us now again?
Okay, sorry.
2024 is my hope that we're going to have a more working relationship. I have documents in my
Sorry.
side there.
This acquisition will come now. Lead 2024.
I'll monetize it.
Find us something.
I said I'll monetize it.
Woo!
There's no cash in
Yeah,
town.
yeah, yeah,
No,
yeah.
transfer.
I don't like transfer.
Julius no follow.
Wetin go the
It's our witness here.
Wetin go the
We saw the
five
witness
You
column.
know that money Julius won't make on Monday.
See 2 million naira.
2 million naira. If the buy that
Wait,
the guy say Julius no
wait.
even come.
Now where you dey do this thing?
Yes.
Julius, after the show, go buy land.
Remember they tell
Oh
her,
yeah, talk.
Talk here.
you go give me land,
No be gift.
So that we
make I give you table. Yes, now. Yes, better.
Boeing table.
Now slippers.
I give you.
It's
Let me
possible.
give you a table of 2 million.
Julius,
Boeing
let's
table.
talk a little after the show.
After
I
the
have
show.
2 minutes. Let me use 2 minutes.
Maybe 2 minutes
To appreciate Rivers people. I also want to appreciate my team staff, my colleagues in the office. They work so hard in
What be that guy anyway give me? That's your manager.
Cosmos Mayaki,
That boy
my
is
operation
is
manager.
dangerously hardworking.
I want to recognize.
I'm serious.
I want to appreciate all of them. Cosmos Mayaki, Ngozi Oyibo, Chizoba, Vivian.
Are they listening now?
They are at the show.
When I clap
They
for
will not
them.
believe they are busy. The office is jam packed there.
Then they listen.
Ben,
They will all radio
Kenneth,
people.
Ezine, all of them group of the technical team. We have engineer, we have architect, we have town planner.
Now you get
we
company.
have surveyor.
Yes, it's
What are we talking about?
I want to thank Surveyor Kunle, town planner, Ibinabol, Aproko. These are
Kunle.
wonderful
Aproko.
guys. Aproko that have been there for us and will continue to be us. I also want to thank my family.
Very important.
They have suffered a lot
Child,
in the hand of Boeing.
for your absence.
For sharing me with Boeing. I told my wife, for day one, I'm married to Boeing. You are the second wife. And she reluctantly accepted her second position as second wife. So I want to thank her and my 2 wonderful daughters for, before any time I'm happy at home, my 2 daughters will go to one corner and they will be laughing. What are you laughing at? They say that it's like, don't say 1 plus today. So they have been wonderful friends and family that have been with us. It has not been easy. Tomorrow morning I'm out again to go and close Abuja office. By next week we'll be in Lagos to close Abuja. We are closing Port Harcourt today. So we will have a team.
You have a Lagos office?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
We'll talk about that. So I want to thank them. Thank you for all the team supporters and the management of today's FM. It has been a wonderful year. And the good people of River State, I want to also thank the government of River State. They don't take Boeing document to be, they don't joke with Boeing document. The Surveyor General, when you get there, you recognize Boeing document especially. We are presenting a lot of cell phone now. That's also guaranteeing us that as soon as possible, our cell phone will be signed by the government, by the governor of River State. So I want to thank all of these people. The
governor of China,
the local government chairman, Onosike, and his team, they've been wonderful.
He's a good man. He's a good man.
They've been wonderful. They've been wonderful.
In fact, Julius,
Onosike is a good man.
I'll make it up in the
Sorry, just 10 seconds more.
Our host community, the Alo community, we have 9 community in Alo. Just some years ago, they called us for meeting that Boeing as a company become the 10th community in Alo, and we're paying our due. Alo has 9. Boeing is the 10th community in Alo. I want to be grateful.
Wow.
If offer us chief transit title, but
I know you will not take
it.
it.
Condition they refuse to
I know you will not take it.
I feel that, Chief, if you give me chief transit title, I hope my name will be among the first people who will share land. So no problem. I want to thank the community in Omangwa, the Omangwa people, they've been wonderful. The Rupoku people, they've been wonderful. The Eche people, the Greater people, it has been a wonderful year working with this group of people. So remember once again 090555
222
33
34 35 36
and 0909000 1952
1952.
0909000 I tell people, please don't rush, take your time, do your due diligence before you do the deed. However, don't follow the crowd. The crowd will always come to party. I won't be surprised by January 15th. People will still be calling you. I heard your voice on radio. That's your promo. I'm coming to your office.
It have finished. All right, thank you very much, Mr. Ori Martins. We'll see you on the other side.
Okay, no way.
They wait for us, Abi.
Yes.
For how long?
We are with you.
Are we not concluding our matter?
Inspection at the site.
10 o'clock.
So what do we do?
We'll just see you now. We'll get 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
We'll get 5 minutes.
5 minutes for news.
We'll just see you now.
Hey, who will give us the ticket?
Come and give that ticket.
For the table,
Yeah.
so that they will give you land.
India, you follow Julius.
You come with her.
Studio. A very good morning to you. Here's a news update on today 95.1 FM. I am Kelly E. Kemenchima. The Supreme Court in Abuja has fixed the 15th of January 2024 to hear the petition of the governorship candidate of the All Progressives Congress APC in Rivers State in the just concluded general election, Patrick Tony Cole, against the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), Governor Siminalayi Fubara, and the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Patrick Tony Cole is praying the court, among others, to sack Siminalayi Fubara as governor for not resigning as Accountant General of the state, even as a candidate of the PDP in the last election. Tony Cole also argues that the Siminalayi Fubara wasn't qualified to contest the last election as governorship candidate. On another ground, the APC governorship candidate is asking the courts to cancel some of the local government areas for want of irregularities, or he should be declared the winner of the election. Patrick Tony Cole's suit was dismissed at the tribunal for lacking in merit in all the grounds, but also won some of the grounds at the appeal court before proceeding to the Supreme Court. The federal government says the Port Harcourt refining company in River State would start refining 60,000 barrels of crude oil per day after the Christmas break. The government also says the importation of liquefied petroleum gas, popularly called cooking gas, would reduce by the same period. This follows the mechanical completion of rehabilitation work on Area 5 plant of the refinery. The completion of the first phase of the plant implies that the Port Harcourt refinery can provide over 10 million liters of petrol and other refined products per day. The Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, which is the manager of the refinery, revealed that the second phase of the facility would be completed in the fourth quarter of 2024 and would lead to the refining of 150,000 barrels per day crude by the facility. The rehabilitation work at the Port Harcourt refinery has been ongoing for over 2 years. The NNPCL had pledged to complete phase 1 of the project of the old Port Harcourt refinery Area 5 by December 31 this year. The former Central Bank of Nigeria Governor Godwin Emefiele is said to have illegally lodged billions of naira in more than 550 bank accounts in the United States, United Kingdom, and China without the approval of the Apex Bank's Board of Directors and the CBN Investment Committee. The special investigator on the CBN and related entities, Jim Obazi, said the former CBN governor lodged more than £500 million in fixed deposits in the UK banks alone without authorization. The revelations are contained in Obazi's final report tagged Report of the Special Investigation on CBN and Related Entities Chargeable Offences submitted to President Bola Tinubu on Wednesday. The counsel for Emefiele, Matthew Buka, has yet to react to the claims as at the time of filing this report. The Process and Industrial Development (PNID) has lost its final appeal against Nigeria in an $11 billion arbitration case. The PNID sought to overturn an October judgment by a London High Court that halted the enforcement for damages over a failed gas processing project. The High Court had earlier ruled in October that the British Virgin Islands-based company paid bribes to a Nigerian oil ministry official in connection with a gas contract signed in 2010 and failed to disclose this when it took Nigeria to arbitration over the collapse of the deal. But after listening to the arguments by lawyers to PNID, which included that documents found in their possession played no role in its initial victory at the arbitration, the judge yesterday refused to grant the permission to appeal. On the foreign scene, Czech Republic has declared tomorrow a national day of mourning after a gunman killed 14 people and injured 25 at a university in Prague. President Pavel expressed great sadness at what he described as the totally unnecessary loss of lives. The gunman, a 24-year-old student at the university who police said had been eliminated, is believed to have also killed his father and may be linked to the death of 2 people last week. It is one of the worst mass shootings in recent European history. And that's the news update on today, 95.1 FM. I am Kelly Benjamin. Good morning. Thank you for your time.
Person will just wake up, enter full university, start to shoot people. Another doing if you imagine. They said that morning, you shoot him Papa first.
Yeah.
To show example, one of the gun they walk, he test up when Papa. Papa died.
Go shop, go buy home.
Just like that.
Are we going back?
God, kill 14 people. If you see some students wey hang for window, one they say one hang so that she tire, she from there fall die from the first floor. She hang die outside. All those were police don't come. So this is a police for here, police for that side at the same time. All this shooting, police don't near one man. The school no get security. Police don't come. The school itself. Can I my fro? Open up. I don't jamming with you. I don't go like go to Kanwaka. I say jamming. No one is ready. You hope it don't jamming. Say you wanna go in the separate way. I no agree for you. I say jamming. Jam with you. Jamming. I'm not a jam. I wanna jam with you. I don't jam anything with you. No jam me. The right side when they do sweet. Bigri bagra. I wanna jam with you. That one the Indian people that Yes, Friday. No one, no shaking, no lele bile. No, what I don't we go. For where? And I don't see mobilize. There are two things. There are two things involved. Without Monica Brandy involved. No, Monica will never go do anything. No Monica, I can buy it. You can reach there. Monica can happen. I can buy it. If I go fire down,
Merry Christmas.
that is not Merry Christmas. What did you say?
I said to Tekina, not you now.
Merry Christmas or Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Consequence of the
See,
season.
you see this thing. Now what I hold, I can't know the real pronunciation. What would the boys stay school or Krikana? Merry Christmas, oh. Yours is Merry Christmas, oh. Merry Christmas. So now I call old. I call the real notes now Merry Christmas.
After a long time.
My uncle, they check it.
Now Merry Christmas I think.
During this period,
Yeah.
everybody na Merry Christmas.
That
During this period, you know,
Yeah.
yeah. Mr. Bosaman that time.
Yes.
And Sim no be governor that time.
No.
So when salary never come,
Mm.
don't waka no way, don't go one FLO do. One Ogoni people bow they say tumbo. Don't go shark. As soon they return, you go see how they sing no way. No way.
No way.
No way. No way.
That's what we dey sing.
True. No way. No money to even buy fowl.
Who would from where?
No way for them to enjoy that Christmas.
Listen, the
You
fowl.
don't know how the song builds.
Fowl that time for Kraka is essential. If you cook fowl for na compound, on too much. You go the pass what now cook fowl stew on too much. If not, the highest stew you see is songo stew, ofingo stew, ipopu stew. Those are the kind of stews you see.
But those students,
Merry Christmas.
Those students,
They are very normal.
very healthy.
They are very normal. Now, once we dress up Christmas reach, we dey mobilize as ourselves. We dey structure by structure. You, as a structure leader, you go mobilize like 5 children. Jam you, structure 1. So they go take one area, no, so they go dey carry small waterproof bag, because each house then the family morals, the way we dey take behave with people, we are too friendly. Just nobody go just you on
Just don't do this.
nobody go just you on the 1st of January for Africa. Nobody go put poison anything for you. Therefore, we dey carry small waterproof. We have our structure of 5 guys. We go move, we go scope our area. We are moving from one house to the other. Once we reach Merry Christmas, don't come. Merry Christmas, don't come. Yeah, child. We go where our highest guy wey our papa sold for us since from March of that year. Now we go see a Christmas cloth oversized, so that by December
Don't grow to
he
the
go
size.
he go match you. Shoe
With shoe.
our shoe
We dey
inside.
we
If
dey
an
put that
other
tissue.
cotton wool.
We dey put tissue for front.
Tissue not too plenty
paper.
that time. Everyone cotton
Na
wool
paper.
plenty pass.
Newspaper.
Or paper, newspaper.
Put for the front
To
of the
size
shoe.
you.
To size your leg.
If you dey 7 years, they go buy you 15 years old shoe. So you grow into the shoe. You no grow out of shoe. You understand? Paper go full. Your leg and paper now they jam for the ending. You go carry am, we go move 5 of us. Any house where we go, they will entertain, we go chop rice. When we chop it, they will give us. So we get what we call carrier. One of our guys, I carry, we call a carrier. I carry
Na him
walk. Now,
If he no gree, if he becomes a recalcitrant, next year he no go follow
you no go follow that structure.
So he needs to be humble and obedient
And carrier.
to carry the food from house to
Once they give us food, chop finish, the remainder they will give us take away. We go put, I go see English stew with rice. We go another side, we go see chicken stew with rice.
all mixed together.
When we go another side, we go see oil rice wey dem mix all na Christmas. We go put am. You see different stews inside the same waterproof bag. Carry am, we dey watch am o. If any rice lost there, na dey hold our money, they go dash us. We hold our money. We dey move house to house. Now, once you entertain us, give us rice, we chop it. Give us money, give us small to make carry am hold. We go dey sing for you. Yes, very.
And they always give Fanta and Coke.
Oh, Jesse, you drink. Who are you to drink 1 bottle of Fanta?
You know fit.
We will arrest you. You know, follow that structure. The structure leader don't say, you know, follow us again. No. You know, if they threaten you, that's on a day 2023, December. If they threaten you,
Again
2024. So, look, I say you take follow us again next time. So, you know, you don't chop the rice, they will have for road. So, we get some for you. As you give us food, we will sing them for you. And those songs, they get spiritual meaning. Now why I grow. Now I know. because we are children. We are innocent.
Name me the song.
God say, don't forsake the children.
Where tell you that one?
Second Leviticus chapter 3. Jesus, second Leviticus.
If I about sing the song,
Jesus know if you know.
that can second Leviticus, no, they
You know the
sing the song. Which can
Sing the song. Sing the
good. Now, as you give us food and money, we'll
Sing the song.
If I about sing the song now,
Happy New Year. You take Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
You know what it be Happy New Year? Happy New Year.
Oh, maybe Happy New Year.
We'll suffer. Maybe Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Very good. Maybe the chorus.
no happy,
Happy New Year.
Happy
happy,
Happy.
Happy New Year.
Maybe the Happy New
Wow.
Year. So I go take the I to give us food now. Now you give us food now. Mike give us food. Me and you did the structure.
Happy New Year.
That
means we don't live the New Year. We go contract Happy New Year.
we don't get alive till next year.
The New Year.
Because of this rights where you give
They
us.
give us, we don't get alive
We go dey alive
till
till
New
New
Year.
Year.
They do call us
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. That be Happy New Year. What do go when you work for us?
Happy New Year.
What do go when you work for us?
Happy New Year.
Verse 2. We'll come pray for you for the song. Offering is so.
But you know, say that.
Wait,
Verse
did you
2. You go follow me. Verse 2. We'll come pray for you as we go.
Okay.
Offering is so. Offering is so.
What do you mean?
Offering is so.
You so.
Ongo so.
You so.
Offering is so.
You so.
Ingo so. We dey pray for you.
Na prayer.
Yes, for you to give us rice and small things to go. Offering mean fever.
Say fever no go reach you.
Fever no go reach you. Oh, be na sickness.
Best strong pass malaria.
Offering is so. So now
Okay, they are the pursue sickness.
we dey
Mama.
from that house. We are doing deliverance.
People are blessing the house.
Yes, we are blessing the house. The one who say sickness go, fever go. They will come say, Ingo so. Ingo that is
Goodness.
word.
Word.
Our son, children, come.
What did the man who want born again?
We no wan know for him to give us rice. We bless
We
him.
wish him to born more.
So then we don't know say na now they grow and they see all those spiritual deliverance.
You know, say, wait, man, I tell you. You know, say, me, the thing where I remember so well, nah, when we small,
Yeah.
we dey go down Sagaba.
for Christmas.
From her, yes,
Yes.
Christmas Day.
Na him. No,
We
na
dey
that
go
shop.
from house to house. Na so we go surround o. Na me go collect the money o.
And
Go there. Ha!
You go dey sing.
If you no give us money,
Yeah.
after that Sagaba, if you no give us money, we begin here. Ọdún yóò yẹra yóò, ó yin jókòó. Ọdún yóò yẹra yóò, ó yin jókòó.
Say head no koroko.
Yes, say you no give us anything o, ó yin jókòó.
Good. Now you know,
Yes.
it doesn't say
But
on
children
our own
these days,
structure.
nothing like that.
No, we never see you.
Children these days, nothing like that.
na cut they dey do up and down.
Whoa! As
So
we
they
were
should
coming
knock
along
out.
the road, come Angel, come tell them.
They go shoot
As
knock
they
out.
come for road,
Angel na point one. Wait.
No, India gone with us.
we see a signboard.
For Minolu Junction, Ada George.
Yeah.
You get one bar with the just opposite the junction. Cultists get their full signboard,
Are you serious?
and Risa never go comot that signboard.
Are you serious? What's it right for the body?
When you have anybody,
I'll show you.
Cultists get their full signboard. wey they put
Cultists
there.
their signboard.
Guys.
Tiam, we snap am.
Yeah.
Around 8:05
um,
a.m.
Angel.
Olympus.
Angel. Stop that rubbish. See what where they want us go.
No,
See where one can
What's
us
in the
go.
bill?
Stop that rubbish.
You know?
Stop that
Remember.
rubbish. I tell you, say na cultists.
True.
National Association of Sealons.
Are they cultists?
So what are
Sealons.
they?
Oh.
I say, man, I
Yeah,
go there.
that's right.
Now still us. Man, I go there. I know the signboard.
Nice. Na Olympians man no know be this. They dey mad.
Yeah, okay.
Na our place they join. They put up for everybody.
Oh,
Yes,
I
it's
know.
National
No.
Association of
That
Sealons.
thing is Ada George now.
Yes.
Okay, don't say.
Everybody don't announce that.
I say,
No, 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 so they are.
No, me, I don't know now.
Next time they no see you.
Next time they no catch you.
No, I don't know.
No, you don't know that way. You don't know.
I feel surprised that.
Make it ask question no. Make
No,
some tell
As
you
you see the image, na
Come,
the image.
if I say they catch you.
Make
Never
one show
Wole
you.
Soyinka.
You go go.
Okay.
You go go. I don't know where you go go.
Okay, not be cultist.
No,
It's a religion.
That's religion. They are church members.
Okay, they don't write it like that now.
Then that's how you their capacity. Take
up.
It's a church member.
It's a church
Every
So they pass to them. That's their capacity take under.
Okay, because they don't write the name.
Angel.
Now,
Angel, by right. By right.
Next time.
Your January show. You suppose host them. Give them an award. Ahoy. Ahoy.
Okay, Ahoy is Aboy is a variation of Ahoy.
Hold on, gentlemen. Hold on,
Palago
hold on.
Comedy Club is hosting Ahoy.
Yeah, you
the way
can do
they
that.
host Stella Maris. I
You
mean,
can do that.
old secondary school. The way they host
That is
different people. Rotary. You suppose host them. Man.
That is not the
Look at
cult.
you. Not because to na
That
church.
is a recognized
You have been educated now.
association in this country,
God bless you, sir.
recognized by CAC.
CSU.
God bless you.
Yes,
sir. Fully
That's
registered.
National Institute of
Come, they can sue
What's
you.
wrong with you?
No, they don't write name. Oh, na image.
And
oh.
that's a hard question.
ask questions.
Okay.
Nas.
Then they be Aboy. So they don't get.
That's Olusoyinka is the organ
Geo.
of this
That's the
recognized.
Geo.
They were in truth and
Okay, wait, ma ask this guy.
panel. I don't
Come,
know.
I give una tickets to the giveaway.
Jonas, wait.
I give una
Fight
tickets.
them.
And
This
me
is
and
how
David
to
your photo. I give them tickets to the
For
giveaway.
other programs now.
Why you not come give them? They go
This
find
one,
somebody waiting
Julius.
for Abuja.
Julius,
Yeah.
forgive them. The show is on Monday. Please talk about the show.
Okay.
Time they go.
Anyway, the show is on Monday. As we
You're shouting.
Can you tell us what we expect
I
for the show?
carry Enjoy the Laugh. Come.
Oh, yeah.
Enjoy the Laugh.
Now, one of the
Talk
acts.
Yeah, Port Harcourt, River State, on the 25th of this
Just
month.
say Monday.
Now
Many people don't
Christmas
forget.
Day, yes, on Monday, now Christmas Day, and of course, we will bring one of the biggest stand-up comedy show in Africa. The first out of Day of 1,000 Laughs. The first out of Day of 1,000 Laughs. Crack Your Ribs by our own legendary Julius Agu, our own son of the soil. Ian Welly, one
Of comedy.
of comedy, a veteran comedian who has come back
It's
home
my mentor.
as part of celebrating his 50th birthday.
It's my mentor. This is 50th birthday finish.
No, we had different versions. We first did the one for Lagos. Lagos was shut down.
But into London, don't
I don't know.
Lagos was shut down.
Yeah,
London was shut down. Total shutdown.
Were you
Premium. I was in London. I was in Lagos. I not go London.
Lagos, we no go London.
So
No, they like those places.
London was shut down, and we are shutting down Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt has never seen a show as sweet, as entertaining, humor,
Happy New Year.
laughter, fun like never before.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. So, Bro Julius not just come alone. Bro Julius bring ingredients. He brought the best of stand-up comedians, seasoned comedian, rib crackers, humor merchants, comedians that know their onions to the beans. We have the most funniest, all the way from Delta States, Nigeria, the man, aka I Funny Die, the Stalker. The Stalker needs no introduction. Our own Aboli, Romeo without Juliet, needs no introduction. MOP, this guy is a phenomenon, is a character. Of course, we have ATM, this guy is a bomb. And of course, our own son, one of our biggest exports from this side of the world, Arinze Baba.
Who is not married?
Yes.
I would like to come to the show with his
Freshly-
wife.
freshly
No, I
married.
can see him.
I didn't know I'm married.
Yes,
Not
not
married.
I
married.
did not tell us.
Yeah.
Which them married? We are not
About 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks
Oh, I don't
ago.
know. What did we do?
3 weeks ago.
What do you call
It's a
it?
coded marriage. It's a coded
But then
marriage.
first give her belly.
First
Yeah.
married
Yeah.
you were No.
And of course,
It's
we
our
have
boy.
advisor.
But now where?
We have advisor. We have
Advisor who
K.O.
faked his
Baba.
marriage.
We have
Nobody
K.O.
faked
Baba,
marriage.
and you have myself, Enjoy the Laugh, your Guinness World Record holder, founder of Port Harcourt Comedy Club. We
And
have
Ukodi.
Akpan Okon, we have GSM, and of course, all the way from Abuja, I have my own boy, Ukodo. your son, all the way from Wakenu House in Wakreke, your own son, the praise marshal, the songwriter and performer and singer, aka as they sweet us, it dey pain them. Sensational Bamidele is
Okay, now they sing those songs.
Nine compose the song. You know, shut down. And of course, Timi Odede, you know, your own Priye Odede, you know, and of course, on the wheels of steels is no other than DJ Jeezy.
So who were
Jeezy Empire.
Jeezy. Yes.
I mean the DJ.
Yeah, that's the DJ.
Jeezy Empire. He said be DJ for the rich.
Very good.
So the venue.
Okay, well, I don't hear him now.
No,
The venue.
Julius very good. See, you good make somebody choose where he want go. Poverty dey. You don't see DJ the way they wear their shirt come here. You say be DJ for the rich. I like that kind of thinking. For who they play music for?
For premium.
Yes, for premium.
For the rich
Very
now.
good.
No,
So
it's
the
very good.
venue is Aztec Alchem. Should I say they call it?
Yes, Aztec Akom. That's a
Alchem.
venue that has a surname.
Yes.
You know easy. Aztec Akom.
Stadium Road, Port Harcourt. To get your ticket, go to www.tellerafricatickets.com and get your ticket. The
See,
time
no
is 6
verse, no
p.m.
verse. You see, Julius, this time they listen to you for when we and one girl they talk with me this FM. Cool FM. Yes, I was listening to you. No fear. Now your mother first says I arrange they don't mind, and one other person don't mind, and they two comedians we don't mind when they come. Now, when you talk about this tellerafrica.com, no verse. If I type am for my phone, come pay, buy ticket, how I go take care of the physical ticket, or how I go take no say na me don't get that ticket.
No, we go
Explain
know.
that one.
We go know.
How? This people don't set.
We don't dey do
Wait,
this.
are they going to give me physical ticket, or do I have to come there?
Maybe they go change
Come and
ticket
explain
for
to
them.
them.
Come explain, no
Come
fear.
and
Talk,
explain.
talk, talk.
You be Julius.
Nah.
What? Now she like that. We Julius always say 0803. No matter what sister phone no.
No be she.
No, she-
No be she. Every time Julius they bring
Talk
ticket.
now.
Okay, when you go online to get your ticket from www.tellerafricatickets.com, you'll have a receipt via your email. So when you get to the venue, you show the evidence of your receipt. Yes.
Just the
At the
digital
venue,
receipt.
yes, your digital receipt. You show it, and there's a number you send the tickets to, the digital evidence, and then we make confirmation before they let you in.
Okay, so
It's okay.
just like if I transfer
It will
5,000 to
generate-
you
it will
now,
generate.
or
Yes.
urgent 2K.
Yes.
If I transfer urgent 2K to you,
Yes.
my bank app go
Yes.
generate
It
receipt.
will
Generate now, so they
Now
know
that
what they
receipt,
do.
I can
Yes.
forward the
Take
receipt
it.
to you. Say in case you never
Yes.
get allowed, the urgent 2K where you beg me,
Yes.
say may I give you.
That
Say
one.
Julius never drink water.
Exactly.
What if it's the one you are owing that you paid back?
What's the difference?
It would come on
There's no
technology.
way you pay money that they will not give you.
Banny,
Yes,
wait,
it will be sent to your email.
Banny.
Allow her to explain.
Relax.
People will
I know
understand.
this. I know this.
Now you know. People that I don't know.
They know. It will generate a ticket for you. Simple. Just
Yes.
follow the sequence.
Yes, sir.
Generate for you.
How much be the money?
Okay, we are gender friendly.
My friend, how much be the money? How much be the money?
They are
That's where
gender
I'm
friendly.
going to.
Now
Now money be
you know that women money go
We are
reduce.
gender friendly.
Okay, women money reduce.
We are structural friendly.
Who go scatter your structure?
No, you can't.
You cannot take my structure.
Who scatter your structure?
To ensure that we have a very
My friend,
concluded,
talk normal, talk
event.
normal, talk
That
normal.
is how my voice
There are
is.
two things that have happened in River State.
General.
That voice say they walk again.
That is
Talk
how
normal.
my voice is.
General, how much?
So for ticket for everyone is 5,000.
Everybody, okay.
Every
Even children.
to show you that to show you that we mean well for Rivers people.
That's for Rivers
VIP.
5,000.
Then for VIP,
That's what I said.
for those of you that don't want to stay in all those room, you want to come close, very close to
To room and
the
break on.
to room and precon.
That's for us of us.
That one is
Action.
for
Apart-
10,000 naira.
Police motor reach like 50.
Yeah.
That's for faction.
Then the
Then
block road.
for those of you that
Who are defected.
that defected. For those of you that defected, we have ensured
That you are
that you have a very good place to sit. and do your legislative
And
activity.
your comedian.
So we have 500,000. This one gives you a tip.
Yes.
It gives you all those things.
1 million table is for
No.
It's for caretaker committee.
For
Caretaker chairman.
the 1 million table.
It's for caretaker
And
chairman.
those that willingly resign. Those that willingly resign.
They are not
For
for personal reasons.
personal.
They are not being
Oh.
plenty. They are just 7. They can't combine
You
this
see,
table.
that is the problem I have with Lokomo people.
Willingly resign 1 million.
So for those that willingly resign,
Yeah.
we have 1 million naira tables.
2
In
million.
this table, you have things upon things.
Yes.
If you don't come with Amalaka, we'll put Amalaka
Around
for
you.
you.
But for those who return from Abuja,
Then for those that came back from Abuja,
2 million.
you have the 2 million. I thought you'd be clapping.
If they this 2 million nowhere.
Yes, sir.
Reverse people were not aware when the decision was signed.
But the reverse elders are
So
aware.
what we are saying is this: we have to resign the resolution. 2 million naira table. Let them sit there. Let's sing, and then we sit there and sign. 2 million.
we need a table for the signature.
But you have seen a very serious signature. 2 million.
So, for the civil servant that have collected 100,000,
5K. 5K.
no, those that collected 100,000, 5,000 naira. If you're a civil servant, just come tell us.
Your
you're a
ID
civil
card.
servant.
Bring your ID
Your ID card, 5,000 naira flat.
If you are from waiting with local government,
Okay.
when they collect 20,000. If you are outside town, we collect 20,000. Watch for TV. Free. Watch for TV.
Jesus, what I don't hear you.
Please,
Call the number now.
please, to further inquiry, further information, call 081 564 694 80. Once again, 081 564
694
694
80.
80. Or you call 080 2030 3038.
Come down. 0 8 don't let you lose this will go to hype 20 30 30 stop it 38 30 into 2 times.
Okay.
For your give me wait may I talk. For funky 4 I don't give on
Him no give us logo.
a table.
Yes.
So our logo no dey here.
Our logo no there.
We no follow support you every
Last
time.
warning.
Every year.
Julius, last
Don't worry.
warning.
Una be family. So we no go there for
Una
logo.
be family.
We no go there for logo.
So how do you go chop?
Hold on.
Una be family.
Wait, hold on. Man, I warn you. I know they like all these things.
Your logo will be displayed on the
Even if you when you carry screen, you Barry, my friend, Barney, you know our logo where you go whisper to. What did you say?
Okay. Abeg tell David the offer say I dey.
Leave David now.
What's
Now we
happening?
dey here. We talking here. They go call David.
Okay, sorry.
What do you mean this way you won't give us now?
Come on, ticket.
Daddy Q ask very important question o. If I buy ticket online, my phone quench because of no light.
Charge it
No,
and come.
please charge it. If not, you won't.
What do you mean the Julius?
Na for you and your wife.
Transfer it to another person.
Julius, give us the full booklet.
The ticket now. Give us full booklet now.
I dey give them to you.
Give us now. You
Now,
will shine
now,
now.
now,
Show
now,
us.
na for people
Na
show.
for them.
You know, because give me cake.
No, na for them.
Afro.
Who them be who?
I have to take you and your constituency.
Na for the people wey go dey.
Give us now.
Yes.
Now you tell us give us our own, then give to
I
them.
dey give una now.
That's what
Wait,
you want to give us the man.
I dey give you 2 now.
Ladies and gentlemen, Julius don give me 1 million naira ticket too. I wan sell am 300.
Now na 250 again.
No, if you sell my ticket.
Anybody? Celestin Akpobare, he don dey text me say wetin I do, wetin Ogoni people do me, and I love them. Celestin, 300K, 300.
From 5 6.
Julius, I'm making an
No, for
announcement.
the una people now.
I can't go sell 100,000.
I'm making an
If you
announcement.
sell my ticket.
I go take no be thief. This is, excuse me. This is my.
Abeg, wey take us now, give away.
No, we never give anything.
Oh, Julius, sit down.
This is Michael Ogolo talking, excuse me.
Who will give ticket?
I have 1 million naira ticket too. I am not joking. I let do for here. I need money. I go sell at 300. I beg call me. I'll give you a candidate through. I'm not joking. For first time I chop Julius money. Nothing Julius go do me.
Thank you for this. Thank you for this promo. My own is promoter. My name is Tekena. I'm a very friendly guy. I'm people oriented. In this Christmas, I don't want problem. If that one is going for how much you want to please, my dear people of God, please, we know that the economy is very high. If you calculate market 300 naira ticket, 1 times 2, which is 600 naira. Now 600 naira can help your family. School fees. School fees is coming. You pay your children school fees. See, look.
Joy Okanje is interested. I beg, send me. Let me give you a candidate.
Excuse me.
It is on the plane.
Everybody, can I finish?
Continue, Peter, you can finish.
Now what I'm saying is this, we are for the people. Without our structure is everywhere. Don't take our structure. Me, I'm just saying, look, for the sake of God, 100 naira my ticket.
100,000.
My ticket is 200.
Abeg, give that ticket to David Yofat. Give him this.
Zike Bekele say, make you bring your ticket.
Who?
Akpo Grammar School.
For what? That three?
Doctor
Akpo
Dike.
Grammar School. Who has got that for Akpo Grammar School?
You think that?
Harry
You think that Julius has
say,
given
Kulino
us?
Beso. Harry Abide say, how many installment? I don't have a problem. You want to pay 2 times, 3 times? Please, I have 2 free tickets. Oh, 1 million naira tickets.
You can see, I'm showing my own online. Julius has given us ticket to come for 1 million. Ejo, I am not a very greedy person. The 2 of them like this can go for 150. 150. Patronize me. Don't worry.
You do 150. 150. So you reduce it. They can have 200,000.
Everybody they pay.
Me na 300. I know they for nonsense.
150. No, you know where to see me. I will be around the gate.
Don't reduce.
Around 4:30. Come and buy.
No, me I give you. I go try my motor. Come give you now.
All right, Rivers people, we understand. See, we want to have some rest and some peace. Thank God, say Supreme Court say they don't ready to give judgment next year. No, so Afro. Next year, what date is that?
15th January.
15th of January. January 15th. So please, everybody will carry your own head when they're hot. Can you slow down? Let us relax and enjoy Christmas a little bit in this state. Because if you go the seek opinion everywhere, Rivers people are not gonna like for you. Rivers people they best. If you enter YouTube, no kind of opinion where you no go see there. Rivers people they the best. But would they beg everybody cease fire?
For waiting.
January 15th, they go give Supreme Court. Ukukuma tell us, okay, everybody rest. For now, we'll rest. Because at the year rumor around, so from that UTC side, Rivers people are outside.
They do it.
They invest.
Over what?
Over the signature.
Nobody. See, the Chief David Briggs explained them. And when I watched that Chief David Briggs video,
Yes.
I understood what transpired.
What did you understand?
For instance, Chief David Briggs say, then call them for meeting. What is a meeting? You talk your own, I talk my own.
Sometimes meeting like
That is meeting.
No, it's not true.
No, this one they call them instead of
It's not
meeting
true.
now. What David Briggs said, I was not there. He said, somebody no tell him. In there. So now primary.
No, he was there now.
So he was saying what happened. No say person tell him on a TVC. He say as they reach Abuja there, that's all. Then we expect say party A, what happen? That be meeting. Meeting is you talk, I talk.
No, it's not true.
So as he
No, what we talk about?
No,
No,
talk
we
with
talk
some
about settlement.
Some meeting, you no need to talk anything.
It depends on
Wait now, they come. Make I talk
settlement.
wetin he talk.
When they settle matter now, you go hear from A and B. Even Bible talk and say no hear one side of the story.
So as they enter the place, president only bust out. Go read.
Jaga.
He didn't read it, sir.
Now who he give to read?
What
Dr.
did they
Peter
read?
Odili.
Now
He give am to doctor. He give am to doctor.
Yes, perhaps Dr. Peter Odili.
To read. Now, what the Chief David Briggs said is, if you be seen and you dey there as governor and president call you, president dey talk.
The oracle himself.
When they don't read all those things, will you get
Say
up
no.
and shout?
And say no.
Stop.
Will you get up and
Even
holler?
myself, I know official.
You no go fit. You must respect the
Wisdom.
age,
Wisdom.
the age of the president.
Jaga na
In
oracle.
position
As the president.
as president of Nigeria, you must respect, and that's what Sim did. Sim just respected the man, and of course, what will you say? No problem. But there was something where I read yesterday. Sim say there is no price way too much to pay for peace, which is okay, normal.
Yes, the peace
Say,
of
but him no be justice, so that talk get belle.
What do you mean no be justice? I
No,
don't understand.
if for instance, some get is water fit don pass garri. If you don already do certain action, you know, in life, all we have na choices. All of us, na choice. Either to serve God or to serve devil. You get the choice, freedom.
Why you carry the
I dey
two
come.
as an example?
Eh?
Why don't you say either to follow Ashawo?
That is your own choices. You also agree.
I don't use only one. One example.
I use God's side.
Each. When you say each, for example, put S.
Okay, plenty examples.
Either you defect,
Where your
either you
own,
defect.
where your own choice or your give
No,
your.
no, either you did this party or you did that party.
Na be your own choice.
Yes.
Like
Oh,
that,
my own is either
Another choice.
Ashawo call you or you call Ashawo.
Na your choices.
Ma talk my own choice.
Yes, Julius, what are your choices?
Either you do good or you do bad.
Thank you. So now, as any choice wey you choose for this world, consequence there.
Exactly.
When we been there primary school.
It's not consequence.
It's wetin?
It's called benefit.
You do dey. Benefit dey, consequence dey. When we been there primary school, if you do good, kingdom, oh, kingdom, oh, kingdom waiting for you. If you do bad, no more kingdom, oh,
No more kingdom.
oh, no more kingdom waiting for you.
Excuse me,
Now,
this song wey say Jehovah Witness song.
no,
Na lie. Wait.
No, Aya kingdom.
Don't come out for your pikin, you know.
no, that one I don't know the verse.
Yes, every day.
Every no kilo
Every
that one
time.
no kilo sing am o.
If
If
you
you
good,
good
na
na
your
your
own.
own o. If you bad na you get am so. No take your eye comot for your pikin dem o.
Yes. So,
I dey come now, I'm going to report.
Another man.
or bad.
Julius I dey
Yeah,
go.
okay, you know this one.
Which one?
If you do good, though, you do for yourself. But if you do bad, now you sabi
sabi
o.
o.
If you do good, though, now you go take your
Head
head
dey
carry
carry
am
am
o.
o.
If you play person wayo, now you go take your head carry am o. No do bad o, now you go take your head carry am o.
Okay, so back to what I was saying. If you
So
don
that's a
already
good-
make choices wey get consequences, how do you go back on those consequences? For instance, if you follow Ashawo,
Oh.
Can you go to
I dey-
the
I-
You don't need the choice.
No, you mentioned it.
Yeah, the choice.
Talk, you were talking
I dey
about
come.
signing, yeah.
If you follow Ashawo, come go get HIV.
Must you
Come-
get
wait,
HIV?
you can't repent. I dey give example. You can't repent.
That's a nonsense example.
As you can't repent.
You cannot
Eh?
use somebody's business and the market
Oh,
somebody.
I saw
I dey come.
that.
Na not be.
I saw that.
It's a lucrative business.
They can have crazy. So if you go follow, you go live wayward
Very
life,
lucrative.
come go get sickness. If you
You
come
cure
repent,
it.
come follow God, it is say that sickness go leave you. The
Yes.
sickness go dey
Yes,
with you
yes.
until you die.
It's a lie. Go to OPM.
When he mean now himself.
It doesn't matter.
Eh?
Go ahead.
So back to what we are saying.
Go ahead. Who signed?
At that point,
You and David Briggs talk.
David Briggs say, he said they don't sign anything now. They sign attendance
sign.
when they come.
Attendance.
Yes. Yes.
They-
Governor they say they sign with black biro now.
Excuse me.
No,
they
it's a sign. It's signed now.
You see, this is the problem. You know they listen. It's
Governor
Opopo
say-
people. Opopo people say, Sim, Governor Sim sign.
Okay.
No argument.
Johnson said he signed.
Johnson,
No,
Joe
no, no,
Johnson.
He did not
Okay.
sign
All
under
these people,
pressure.
did they go there?
Yes, they were there.
No, he
Johnson
wasn't
no
there.
go.
He
No,
was-
Johnson said was
is
there.
the-
It's
Johnson
not
was
for
there.
information.
Johnson
was
said
there.
that.
Yes, he was
Call
there.
out my phone. Ababu will kill us. I call Johnson there immediately.
Okay, Julius, Ikemekema, there's no problem. Let's agree, everybody's side.
Yes.
Now, what I am talking about in my normal small sense, I don't get
Sim
sense.
do well. He's a matured
He has
wisdom
to,
guy.
Sim must respect
The president.
The president.
Because Jagaba first threatened them. You don't go that
He
side.
doesn't threaten them.
Softly. Small,
No.
small. Like, see the way I threaten. My main men.
Look at that. Fuck me, man.
They threaten me that.
I'm Jagaba.
My main men, senior men, who call on a fish show.
Jagaba, they come around. I thought Jagaba had a mad.
See, you know
Agbado.
no, you know what him be. You know what him be. I think on
Is he for a while?
Now, I try to tell you how Jagaba take to him because they will bring say Jagaba was full of wisdom.
You know
Was
what
full
that
of
Wisdom,
Which one?
Jagaba.
Which of the wisdom?
I can tell you what him do now. Him come in, say, oh, him first smile, but smile and shake, shake, smile. Dr. Ordently, proudly, barrister, chief barrister, Adokia Mesmeka was there.
Yes, that's
all of them.
David Briggs say,
No, no, you will
Adokia
ask
Mesemeka,
Now ask
now he
Jagaba
stand
question.
up for River State.
Go on, Okakamanu.
He stand up for
Come-
River State.
come shake,
Yes,
shake.
no only according to David Briggs.
Now ask
No only
Jagaba.
ask Jagaban.
Question.
So all these things where you dey read and go, oh, don't read that here now. What about so people?
You know what the Jaga talk?
What about those the lawmakers wey defend? What about what happened
Oh,
to them
Jaga,
and
see,
all those things wey
you know, Jaga,
Nothing.
Jaga wisdom the killer. You know what the Jaga
Jaga
talk?
Adokia Mesemeka stand out.
You know what the Jaga reply am?
As he ask the question,
Jaga-
which means every other person dey do
Wait, they don't even do himself. They do inside
internal heat, internal crumbling. Nothing they talk
See,
about.
even
those
the grumble,
people
you know,
wey do
I
the
tell you
other
about,
side.
get some grumbling side talk wey I will come drag you like this. No way, Jaga dey there an oracle. Everyone stand straight. You know what Jaga tell am? He say, Your Excellency, thank you. You know, Chief.
Wetin Jaga answer am?
Adokia Mesmeka, English.
No, Africa guy, na English too much for him mouth.
Now Jaga tell her, say, Jaga, barrister, I know you. Oh.
Even when you were playing football.
When you are playing football, I know you. I was there when you win the Nations Cup in 1980. You're a good left footer from the left. Are you still playing ball? He said, are you still playing ball? Chiefs can't smile because he let me ask you. Papa, when you find picking.
My friend,
You know what they talk?
you know
Papa,
say they put phone for silence.
Jaga tell us, Papa, when they find picking, all of a sudden, God can't give him picking. He go pursue the picking.
The people wey defect from PDP to APC.
Yeah,
I am the leader of
APC.
If my children
Children
run come meet me, I go
I will
pursue
pursue them.
them. What an
Wisdom of the press, Jaga. Wisdom of the press.
No, that question is an unanswerable question.
My problem is
rhetoric.
Not the rhetoric. Chief, rhetoric be say,
Excuse
I ask
me.
you to understand.
Nah.
This one is confusion.
no Chief. Adokia Mesmeka for reply am.
No need. You no fit reply your
No,
father.
but Mr. Falak say, Jaga, I know you.
Pardon?
You are a
You
good
can't
guy.
reply your father anyhow.
Say, Jaga, I know you are a good man. Jaga, even if the children come, Papa will invite children come. You don't go change their name. They will ceremony. Give them another.
You are dumb children.
Do child dedication.
What the children?
Let them answer your name fully. There will be no need answering your name.
But
And
whether
another
we like
name.
them or not,
Yeah.
Jaga don't talk.
Yeah, President don't talk.
Make His Excellency Sim Folam.
Yes, and President wisdom.
One Piece.
No, Rivers
One
will
Piece.
not agree.
Forget your
Julius,
title.
Julius, eight resolution.
Rivers
Eight
will not
resolution.
agree.
Only one. They in favor of governor, which is say make they drop all impeachment.
It's 1/8. That
One
is
over
a
eight.
poor
Now
result.
very
bad
poor result.
We did not accept it.
Now,
1/8.
okay, the
resist
people now where they in
The
support
governor
of the people where they sort of government,
Yes.
the people where support
Now be we vote am.
where they stand for this matter now.
He-
Hear
he-
this-
he wants
hear
the
this-
government.
hear this in a
Is he
year
standing
now.
on his own?
There is in a year camp now where they stand. They no mention.
They
them
don't get stand.
inside any
They are
matter.
standing.
They don't even say, okay,
See, I
bring, now, the one where they pay me part, you know, the one where they pay me. Sorry. Jaga even said, the 25th. I mean, no, sorry.
27th.
No, the 25th.
of December.
The 27th.
Christmas Day.
Yes.
No, just listen.
Say now come out for calendar.
So the 27th of them,
Okay.
they get your daughter. They get your domicile. Your doyewu. To gather anywhere they feel like.
Anywhere.
That means they just, Martin Samuel, they just call it. Hello, Major Jack.
Maybe July.
Well, I'm talking.
Let me travel out now.
And then Casablanca, Mogu sit, Mogu impeachable. There's one law go pass here now. And they come. They don't call on us. Casablanca don't fool. Come, DJ Nice, play music. No, say, wheel some second DJ. When you miss. When you miss. You say what? As a chief, as DJ, listen to the win. I never finish. Hey, who only makes the app? Bring the names.
They will bring Hackman. Wait, wahala. 2 seconds everywhere don't ball.
What do they want me? I never finish. I never finish. What they city? Someone will say, yes. All the unit heads report. Laugh, casa. Stop, speak away. Laugh, na casa, blanca. Oh,
After city, we are near to
I don't like jolly, no, not jolly. Laugh. Okay. I just don't stop. Oh, DJ, give us music. Money on my mind, money. Child, there one day talk about me in particular. I go chase my dream on because I know. Mama, hey, what do you miss? Who won the base? DJ Will Select. Who won the base?
There's the clerk of the house. Go come.
No. Will some second without Will. Ladies and gentlemen, now that we have appointed new leader in the house, Major Jack, read today's proceeding.
Yeah, boy. Under General Capi.
Lead today.
Before us here on the main day, I go echo you.
Read what is it? Yeah, Mr. Speaker, our money since they have not paid us. Since the fight began, the war starts in Gaza, they have not paid us our money. Therefore, I shall move that they pay us our full entitlement. Mr. Speaker, DJ go start. Order! DJ will. Don't be excited.
May I observe you, Mr. Speaker?
Thank you. Please observe me.
The reason why the money has not come is because of the ring road.
Ring road?
Yes.
Brrr, DJ go. Brrr. I see the sweet toss. Timaya. Thank you. For those of you who believe that our Jews should be paid our money everywhere, Christmas bonus, all should be paid in fully, say hi. Hi. For those of you who said our money for no need, say nay. No need. DJ, the eyes have it. Come on, DJ, blast.
But Mr. Speaker, by paying the Xmas bonus, you are touching our structure, please.
No. Please don't waste time. Edison and Governor Sim, they are coming with Caterpillar to focus on America. Let's move. After the president said, you see, I like these guys. As soon as the president just talk,
e no reach
48
24 hours. Wetin be 48 hours?
They don't see.
E get one case wey dey for Isokpo. You know say our case scatter the whole local government, 23 local government. One dey for Africa, one dey for Africa. Yes, Buguma hold one there. You know the high court dey there. The one for Isokpo, e don reach 48 hours. The lawyer don appear, they don call the great lawyer don appear. My lord, please with due recognition and humble submission, I am A.T. Okoro, representing the complainant. My lord, I have an authoritative request from my clients that we are withdrawing all charges against the governor of Rivers State. My lord, I so move. He said, now Isokpo court. Now the judge court say yes. Lawyer to see defendant, please. And I was my lord, it is very disheartening and disorganized in a democratic setting and in a law court to come and be perplexed with such a news. My lord, sorry to inform you that my client did not send me any message.
So that's what happened.
We are not withdrawing. My client did not tell me anything. We are not withdrawing.
So I've never heard my client never tell me.
So yes, I called for Pori to get one case there.
I beg. Otele, our very good friend.
Is that?
Yes, he said.
Otele Baba.
He know who they say.
Right, the honorable speaker.
Right, honorable speaker. He said rubbish.
What is rubbish?
Him Jakapa bin obey Obasanjo.
Right now,
Nobody dey obey anybody.
Mr. Speaker.
Nobody dey obey anybody.
Mr. Speaker.
Jakapa, did he obey Obasanjo?
He did not.
I'm coming.
Even our former governor no obey Buhari.
Mr. Speaker, honorable speaker. Otele Baba.
He was against Buhari for the 8 years.
I don't know where you have run to.
You mean days on weekend?
Yes,
let me
ask you. Was against Buhari for 8 years.
You know
that was.
Say political things.
This one got. This one
right.
This one our family thing.
Right.
Now father and son.
Hold on.
Now father and son something.
Nobody should.
Now family something.
Don't ginger anything.
Family business.
The family business.
Mr. Money Ginger, don't ginger him.
We'll soon close.
Right, the honorable, tell him about Dana Makri, a friend of mine.
A friend of us.
Such a man in such a way. A man who has set records in Rivers State.
No good with that record.
Unbreakable.
No good with that record.
We have 4 minutes.
Mr. Speaker, this is you speak. We're inviting you next week, Friday. We are tired of you sending text messages.
One speaker.
And hiding.
Former
Tell
speaker.
about Dana Makri.
Former
the
speaker
of Rivers
House of Assembly.
Okay.
It's always run away.
You just invite him to crack a ring.
You.
Okay, give me ticket now.
You will go kill us.
Give me ticket, 1 million naira. Man, go
You
give
don't tell a chop.
So I go get 3
Don't
million.
tell a chop government
We
money.
get
If you want to collect
just-
small to raise safe.
We have after party in Nemesis.
You will never go there. I'll tell you the phone I can't do. You know the nemesis of this coming catch up with them.
Okay, well, you cannot. Let me do this.
I beg, make
Let
you
me
do
do
this.
this
Oh,
one.
let me talk to
Man,
you. Make
this
you do
one.
one now.
That's what I want to do. Thank you. God bless you. You're a good man.
time.
Before they kill me, the landing eagles of Ahmadiyya presents water splash party.
Landing Eagles.
Yes, they land now. Water splash party with live DJ. They don't put the DJ name so if you go read.
Sorry, but just they talk to 2 minutes. We can quickly get something.
If you worry me, I will worry you.
2
Allow me
minutes.
man,
Now they talk now. No, take the whole 2 minutes now.
So water splash party on the 26th of December by 7 a.m. till dawn. So all of them are fine on our way to Ahmadiyya. All right. So Madam Furoba, they host everybody. So this one are from the Eagles. Thank you.
All right. Let me first of all greet Daddy Samuel Olariwaju. It's your birthday today, sir. Happy birthday to you, Daddy Samuel Olariwaju. And also the current caretaker chairman of APC and also a member of the board of NDDC, Chief Tony Okocha. It's your birthday today, and Funky Pod they celebrate you. They say you want to give out things to widows widows, only widows. Please,
No
no
widow.
be everybody. Only we know we will make widowers no go, and no be every widow. We know the people will be real widows, and they don't select the real widows. So in they give them things for the location where they don't choose.
They make you go now.
So happy birthday to
Say
you.
they give something to widow.
And so you say.
It's against the scripture of God.
You see what?
Against the scripture of
All right.
So you tell us.
Our partners, we get plenty partners. OneTV is one of our partners. OneTV, if you get occasion, you want to put them up, even if somebody there abroad, if they will cover the occasion, the person will fit join in live. They watch waiting
As if
on
they there.
to as if in there. The person can also talk from there.
Yeah.
And here.
Yeah.
So OneTV, they are one of our partners.
One great TV.
Yes, Habitat Hotel and Resort, now our partners. This Yuletide season, Habitat Hotel, they give too many giveaways.
Yes.
Yes, room.
You get three.
room,
If you
room
do 3
rates.
rooms, I think 3 or 4 rooms.
If you get 3 rooms,
you get the fourth one
the
free.
fourth one free.
Which one? That is you pay for 3
3
rooms.
Yeah.
The fourth one will give you free
Yes.
for the day.
No. If you pay for 3 nights, the
Okay,
fourth
3
night, the fourth night.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
3 nights.
Maybe if you get 3
Good.
rooms.
I for
then-
fear now. I for parking there. With my guys.
And so
Only your guys.
Habitat Hotel, they do reduction in all their services. We also get Olix Wash. Olix Wash now where you go sit down, wash your clothes yourself. In 1 hour, you don't wash 15 clothes, iron them, pack all of them, begin they go house. Then do number 14 Kana Street for D-Line. Yes, we get HMG Attitude. HMG Attitude, now then they sew all our clothes. They also get price reduction for this season. Then they back of SBS.
Please go there.
For which road be that? Psychiatric road.
Yes.
We get Smile Wash. Smile Wash Day 267 Service and Smiles Building for Woji Road, Port Harcourt. Smile Wash, they wash everything clothes, everything cap, everything bag. We they recommend you to go to Smile Wash and get a discount this season. We also get J Cozy Hotel, then they for Rumo and Hall. Rumo and Hall na the road where they go airport from Okwiri.
Sorry.
If you turn
So
right,
don't finish
you
the
will see
do
them.
so.
Which person may want to
Don't
come
finish
from all our
so.
partners?
Okay, thank you.
Which
See
is
you
our
all
wizard.
on Monday at
Our
Crack your
Which
ribs!
is our
What
wizard.
time, sir? What time is it?
Now for
6
evening,
6
6 p.m.
From
Red
6
carpet.
o'clock till
By
dawn.
7 p.m. Shut us
Give
down.
me Kewengma.
All right, guys. Wengima, please stay out of trouble until next
Africa.
week Friday. Let's see you. Hail and
They hear
hearty.
us.
Afro.
We are trouble.
In this thing, cream don't finish.
Go find and clean. Papa, carry your agreement. Agreement is agreement.
Doctor, so you can't come in now.
No, permanently. Outside now, sir, before I go.
Please.
Go to me there.
Don't worry, we have a business.